Now I am going to explain some of the questions of exercise 7.2. Question number 3. What is given in this question? An isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC and BE is perpendicular on AC and CF is perpendicular on AB. These conditions are given and we need to prove BE is equal to CF, means the length of these perpendiculars are equal. So let us take triangle AEB, AEB and triangle AFC. In these two triangles, AB is equal to AC, already given. Angle AEB is equal to AFC, both are right angles, and angle A is common in both the triangles. So both the triangles are congruent by AAS congruency rule. Now you will say, what is this AAS? Because I explained ASA. So here I want to tell you, ASA means two angles and included side of one triangle equal to the corresponding angles and included side of other triangle. But that condition can also be taken as AAS. It means if two angles and one side of one triangle are equal to the corresponding angles and one side or corresponding side of other triangle, then also the triangles can be congruent. The reason is, if two angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding angles of other triangle, then obviously the third angle of both the triangles will be equal. So that is the reason why ASA congruency condition can also be taken as AAS. So here these two triangles are congruent by AAS because angle, side. Okay. So since these two triangles are congruent, so BE is equal to CF by CPCT. Okay. Its next question, that is question number 4, is also similar. A little difference is there. You try to solve that question. Okay. Now I am explaining question number 5. In this question, two triangles ABC and DBC, they are isosceles triangles on the same base BC, and we need to prove angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. It's very simple. Just now I explained isosceles triangle property. So this property we need to take in to prove this question. So in this triangle ABC, since AB is equal to AC, therefore angle ABC will be equal to angle ACB by property. Similarly, in triangle DBC, angle DBC is equal to angle DCB, again by property. This one is taken as equation 1 and this is 2. Now let us add both. Then we will add angle ABC and angle DBC. Which angle we are going to get? Angle ABD. And when we add angle ACB and angle DCB, which angle we are going to get? Angle ACD, which we need to prove. So next I will explain question number 8. Sorry students, that is question number 6 which I am going to explain. This question is very important. The question is, what is given in the question? ABC is an isosceles triangle with angle B is equal to angle C. Isosceles with AB is equal to AC, and BA is produced to D such that AB is equal to AD. Okay. These sides are equal, and we need to show that angle BCD is right angle. So for our convenience, I have marked numbers against the angles. Like angle ABC is marked as angle 1, angle ACB is marked as angle 2, angle ACD is marked as angle 3, and angle ADC is marked as angle 4. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, which is given isosceles with AB is equal to AC, we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by isosceles triangle property. Similarly, in triangle ACD, D. Again, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Same property, angles opposite to equal sides. Now, what will be the sum of these angles? Angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. These are the angles of triangle ABCD. So, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of triangle. And here we have already proved angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So, this can be written as angle 2 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 2 plus angle 2, that is 2 times angle 2. Angle 3 plus angle 3, that is 2 times angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Now 2 is taken common from both. Now 2 times angle 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree, or angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 90 degree. And what is angle 2 plus angle 3? This is angle BCD. Hence angle BCD is equal to 90 degree, which we need to prove. Okay, so remaining questions you try to solve, and if you will be having any doubt, you can please ask. Okay, thank you.